Good day, guys. It's the 29th of May, and now I'm right in front of Patong Beach, guys. Okay, lovely weather. It just rained a little bit at the night, but during the day, it's really hot. Okay, so let's jump into the video. This video will be reviewing Beyond Patong. Okay, we'll be reviewing Beyond Patong Hotel. I'll show you guys. I'm walking towards my hotel now from the beach. It's just across the beach. So here's my honest review, guys. Okay, the location is perfect. It's just across the beach. Okay, it's just across the beach, and it's also close to a lot of shops, right in front of the 7-Eleven, near to restaurants, and it's easily accessible if you guys are traveling with a bike, or even to get a tuk-tuk, or even to book a Bolt or Grab. It's very easy, guys. So yeah, so here's my review. So in this video, you guys will check out the full room tour. Okay, the facilities. I'm not hiding anything. Okay, I'll just tell you guys how it is. But for me, it's a very affordable hotel in the heart of Patong. Okay, guys, let's check out the room. My room is number 1405. It's at the 4th floor. Not bad, guys. For the price, I think this is definitely a huge bathroom. Okay, so much of space, washing area. Here's the shower. Place to keep your luggage. Wardrobe. Sorry guys, I can't open the wardrobe because it's quite messy inside. The usual coffee and tea. Mini fridge. Dressing table. Okay, sorry it's a bit messy, guys. Okay, but yeah, the room is not bad, guys. Okay, there's a small sofa, lounge kind of area. Let's check out the balcony now, guys. Not bad space, guys. Okay, and here's the view of the mountain, and that's Patong Beach, right? As you guys can see, there's a 7-Eleven just across the street. Okay, okay guys, let's go and check out the swimming pool. This is the main foyer. Room number is 1405. It looks like there used to be a restaurant here, but it's not here anymore. Huge open space. Some renovation works going on. So if you guys are planning to stay in Beyond, I'd suggest you get the room in the 4th floor. Okay, preferably in the main block, so it's easy access to the swimming pool. So it's very easy for us to go to the swimming pool at this time of the day. kids pool area, and you can see the mountains at the back. Not bad, guys. And here's the view of the beach. This pool area looks really cool, guys, but it looks like it's closed. I'm not sure for how long, but it looks like there's some kind of repair works and renovation going on. So let's just hope that it's open soon. So yeah, that's Patong Beach, guys. And that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, if you guys want to book beyond Patong, the link's in the bio. Click that and book through that. So I'll get something from your booking with no extra cost to you. Okay, guys. So if you like this video and you find it helpful, please do hit the subscribe button, guys. Okay, it'll help me a lot if you can just hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.